I'm here to unbox the new jelly drops that we just got in the mail the other day. We have done, I think, 2 previous unboxings of jelly drops, and since that time they have updated their options, they have added vitamins, they've added electrolytes, and changed the shape of them. So I'm excited to see what these look like. This will be the first time I'm seeing it, you're seeing it. Here we go. I did cut the box just because it's a pain to open on camera. All right. Support hydration with jelly drops. 95% water and with electrolytes and vitamins B12, B9, B6, available in 6 juicy, natural, and artificial flavors. So for those of you who are brand new to this and have not seen jelly drops before or seen a previous unboxing of mine of jelly drops, they were developed in the UK for a gentleman who was helping to care for his grandmother and felt like she was not getting enough water, which is really common for people living with dementia. They forget to drink water, and if no one's handing it to them, they're not drinking it. So for some people living with dementia, they literally don't want water. They refuse it and they push it away, but they'll eat something, maybe they'll drink something else. So in an attempt to get her to drink more water, he invented something that had water in it that was fun to eat. So they come in these, oh, there's a bunch. Wow, they come in these sets, and each one is its own little pack. So let's do it. Let's try it. They used to be really like round, and honestly were kind of hard to hold because they'd like jump out of your hand. They're sort of like Jello. They jiggle a little bit. They always smell really good. They have different flavors, and these are really easy to pop and eat. That's really good. I might eat all of these. Yeah, that's awesome. So put that aside. They sent me all of these different flavors. They're fun to eat. People have asked me, how many do you need for a glass of water? I don't know. I have to look at their website to tell you the exact number. I'm afraid to give you the wrong info here, but they've given me a whole bunch. We've taken them with us to clients' buildings before, and they've been very popular. I invented jelly drops in 2018 for my grandmother Pat. She struggled with dehydration and wanted to find a way to help anyone in her situation. So there is a choking hazard warning on these. So people have also asked me, hey, is this safe for somebody who is on a puree diet? No. This is not gonna be an option for someone on a puree diet, but could be a great option for somebody who is not on a puree diet. Mechanical soft, I don't know. If someone does not have any trouble swallowing, I'd say this is fine for them. Of course, check with your physician. And it's a great way to hopefully get them to have a little bit more water in their diet than they would otherwise. And by the way, these do taste really good. Honestly, I could probably swallow the whole thing if I wanted to, but I'm not going to do that. Thanks.